Calvin Okoth, also known as Gaucho, the Bunge Wananchi president, has been admitted to the hospital following an alleged attack. Gaucho shared the news on his Facebook page, revealing that he was assaulted on Tuesday while en route to Raila Odinga's Azimio Kamukunji rally. He expressed gratitude to God for his escape from the attackers despite sustaining serious injuries. Currently, Gaucho is undergoing treatment in an undisclosed hospital. The injuries he sustained primarily affected his ribs, which necessitated his hospitalization. Medical professionals plan to conduct an X-ray examination to determine the full extent of his injuries. Kenyans expressed sympathy towards Gaucho and sent well wishes for his speedy recovery. Regarding the motive behind the attack, Gaucho stated that he was unsure of who sent the armed youth to assault him. However, he believed that the attack was connected to his ghetto revolution, which he had launched a week prior. The ghetto revolution aims to bring about change among young people residing in the ghetto and has garnered significant support. Gaucho had recently voiced his concerns regarding the unfair treatment he experienced within the Azimio coalition. Following his arrest, he claimed that no one had bothered to secure his release on bail. He expressed hope that the ongoing talks would yield positive results, as he feared he might not be able to participate in future protests if they were called. Gaucho's arrest had been carried out by the Directorate of Criminal Investigations on charges of causing disturbance. He was subsequently charged at the Kiambu Law Courts and released on a cash bail of 5,000 Kenya shillings. On the same day as the attack, Raila Odinga, leader of the Azimio movement, led a consultative meeting at Kamukunji. Azimio leaders and supporters gathered at the event, during which Odinga presented the next steps to be taken after President William Ruto's finance bill was passed in Parliament and signed into law at State House. To get more news, leave a like and comment below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Kenyan News channel.